friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astin Padasale. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you need to apply for this BARC OCS 2024 examination. So without any delay, let's get into the video. First thing, before applying for this examination, you need to register for the examination. Okay, so by clicking the icon that is given over there, you will be getting a page like this. So here they will be asking you to enter the preliminary information. Okay, so first you need to enter your title. Followed by that, they will be asking you to enter the discipline, under which discipline you are going to write the examination. Next is that you need to enter your highest qualifying degree. If it is MSc means enter MSc. Next is name. While typing your name, you should be very careful because here itself they had given clearly that name entered in the online application form should match exactly with the request document. So at the time of examination, they will be asking you to take the photo ID with you. Okay, so the name in the application form and the name given in the photo ID should be exactly similar. If not, they will be simply cancelling your application and they will not allow you to write the examination. So while applying, have your photo ID with you and type the name as such given in the photo identity card. It might be an Aadhaar card or voter ID card, whatever it might be. Next is that you need to enter the mobile number. So you need to enter your mobile number and also you need to confirm your mobile number by retyping them and don't add 0 in the front of your mobile number. Next is that you need to enter your email address. Then you need to retype your email address to confirm them. Then you need to enter the security code. So after typing the security code, you need to click on the submit button. So once you had submitted, then to your registered mail ID in the normal message section, they will be sending you the login ID and the password. So just write down the login ID and the password in notebook. So then you need to re-enter into this website and under this login column, you need to type either your user ID or else your email ID. Okay. Then you need to enter the password. So this password has been sent to your mobile number. So please don't delete the message. Either write down or save the message for future use. Next, you need to enter the security code. And after clicking the security code, you need to click on the submit button. Okay. The security code is case sensitive. So please type the security code very correctly. Okay. After clicking this, you will be getting a thing like that. You need to verify both your mobile as well as your mail ID. So mobile verification is very easy. So they will be sending you the OTP. If you enter the OTP, then it will be verified. Whereas it comes to email, there is few difficulties. So what my thing is that, so you need to click on raise a complaint that is given over there. Okay, so I'm applying on Jan 5th. Maybe the issue gets solved in future thing, but just click on raise a complaint and this particular page will be open. These are automatically filled. Okay, so in that query section, you need to type verification link sent to my Gmail is not opening, like that you need to give. Okay, after that they will be asking you to attach the proof. Okay, the proof is nothing but once you verified to if you're trying to verify, then to your Gmail, instead of a link, they will be sending a big paragraph. Okay, so you need to take the printout of that particular paragraph and you need to submit in the proof section. So after submitting them, then usual process application will be begin. I don't know what is the difficulty. Last time there is no such issue. While applying for this year only, we are facing this kind of issue. Okay, so yeah, you need to submit a proof, only then this process will be going on. Next, they will be asking yes or no kind of question. First, they will be asking you how come you know about this particular thing. You need to click on newspaper. Next is your gender, your category. And in case if you are physically challenged, you need to click either yes or no. It depends upon you. Then they will be asking few questions regarding that. Okay, it is a simply yes or no question. Okay, you need to click yes if it is actually yes or else no. Next, the nationality and all already it is filled. The last section is fee exemption. For female candidate, transgender and physically challenged candidate, there is no fees at all. So it is you need to select. So I am clicking on yes, I need fees exemption. Then they will be asking fee exemption criteria. So I'll be clicking on I'm a female, or if you are some other category, you need to click as per you need. Next, they'll be asking you the ID number. It might be either an Aadhaar card or college ID card or voter ID card. Okay, so which should indicate the gender. So I'm just applying with my Aadhaar card only. Just you can also apply with your Aadhaar card, or else you can use whatever it might be. Next, they will be asking you to type the Aadhaar card number without any space. You need to type the Aadhaar card number. Okay, next is a personal detail. They will be asking you the date of birth. Okay, so please make sure whether you are eligible to apply or not and then apply. Okay, next is your parent name. Your parent name, you need to type your full parent name. Next is coming to the address. So you need to type your address correctly. Here itself they had given you should not use these kind of thing while typing your address. Even when I placed XYZ street, the S is taken as an AND option. So don't put street while typing your address. Just put your door number followed by that your XYZ thing and then your area. Just type your locality alone, that's more sufficient. If you are placing street means then S is counted as a AND option that is given over here. Okay, and then your city. Okay, in which city you are residing. Next, they will be asking you to enter the parents' contact number. Just for additional safety only, they are asking you to enter the parents' contact number, and then you need to click on, and then you're going to a second option. Okay, so this is, they are asking to enter the qualification detail. So first you need to enter 10th standard qualification detail, followed by 12, then grad BSc, then MSc. First they will be asking you in which state you had studied. Next, your school name, or in case your college means, if you are studying in an autonomous college means, they will be asking you the university under which it is coming. So I had studied in autonomous college in Madurai. So in the option I have Madurai Kamaraj University. So I am clicking Madurai Kamaraj University. This is for those students who are studying in autonomous college. Next, they will be asking you the month and year of passing. You can check your college document or your school certificate, instance mark statement. In that they have clearly given. Next is aggregate mark. If it is given in percentage means you can give, or else if it is given in a CGPA means you can give according to that. Then they will be asking you to enter the percentage of mark or CGPA. If you are a BSc mean, then they will be asking whether physics or chemistry or biochemistry or agriculture chemistry was one of the subject. Since I had done my BSc in biotech, I had studied chemistry as my allied subject. So I am clicking on yes. So you need to pass down this particular eligibility criteria, only then you can eligible to apply. Next, they will be asking you to enter the work experience. So MSc also the same thing. If you are currently studying means you can also apply. So they will be asking you the additional document. Okay, then this is the important thing, screening channel. So they have given detail. Since I don't have GATE scorecard, I'll be selecting a screening option number 1, that is online test. So first you need to click yes. Then they will be asking you to enter the city of examination. You need to select 3 city of choices. Most probably you will be getting a first city only. No thing about that, whether you had applied firstly or whether you are applied last date, whatever it might be, most commonly you will be getting a first city of your preference. So don't worry. If you are having a GATE score means, then you can click GATE score also as an additional option. Here itself they have given, the fees is same only. Okay, so you can select either GATE 2022 scorecard or else GATE 2023 scorecard. Even if you are applied for GATE 2024 also, you get eligible. So for biosciences only, GATE BT paper and GATE Excel scorecard alone are eligible to apply. In case if you are having your GATE paper under various category evolution ecology means you are not eligible to apply with that particular scorecard. First you need to ask, they are asking you to apply for GATE code. Next, the mark. GATE score that is provided out of 1000. Here you need to enter the registration number. If you are having GATE 2023 scorecard means you can select that option also. The fees is same only. It is 500 only. Okay, there is nothing. So you can read all those things. Next thing is that you need to click on save and next option. Okay, so each and every time you need to save your application and then only you need to go for next thing. Okay, so the next option is submitting your document. So here itself they have given all the detail. Kindly do read about them. So they are asking you to submit photograph, signature and the ID proof only. They are not asking you to enter the category certificate and all. So in case if you are final year means they will be asking you to submit few additional documents. It depends upon you. So the photograph and signature should be in JPEG or JPG format, whereas if your ID card should be in PDF. Okay, that should be a size restriction, and also while submitting your file name should not contain any space. Okay, invalid file name also will not be taken into account. So please ready with all the document and then try to apply. Then you need to click on save and next option. So before that you need to type the captcha that is provided over there, and then you need to click on save and next. So after that, then entire thing will be coming on. So below your photograph, you need to put a tick mark, and also below your sign also, you need to put a tick mark. This is a final submit. You can review all the thing. In case if you want to change means there is an option to change, because after that once the application is submitted, you can't able to change anything in the application form. Okay, so first you need to click on I agree button, and also you need to click on final submit. So once you are submitted, the message will be sent to your registered mobile number. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.